Okay, this is a unfortunate soul. He decided to change the screen himself following a guide on the internet, and they said don't need to change the battery, and he did not, and now it doesn't turn on. No problemo. More business for us. Well, this one I need to give a quote. I don't even know what the issue is, how far the extent of the damage is. Let's connect the charger. Yep, we got a charging indicator. Power. The light comes on. Waiting for a caps lock light at least. Nothing, no backlight. It's turned off. Power again. Stays off. So it turns on, goes off. Okay. Have a quick minor inspection, see what's going on. So we get no fan spin, nothing. Yeah, this does not make sense, you know. Is there a short? No, no short. No, no short. We don't know. I'll give them the option what they want to do. I need to inspect the board properly. We'll need to charge you quotation fees if they want to go ahead. Otherwise, no. It will be left as is. Can spend deep board level inspection on this without further acknowledgement of commitment. Okay. See you in the next one.